Children, this is Shivalsa speaking. Children, we have been dealing with chapter 4, simple equation, and we are almost at the end of the revision of this chapter, simple equation. So we are dealing with exercise 4.4. So here in this particular video, I'll discuss about some very important questions of this particular chapter, which is very common in terms of formation of equations from using statements. So the questions are given in statement form, and we have to frame the equations and we have to solve it out. So I believe every doubts from the chapter, from this particular exercise 4.4 will be cleared, because these questions are very important, and the similar questions you will be getting in class 8 as well. So you need to understand this question very nicely. Let us have a look. So children, here in question number 2a of exercise 4.4, we have the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a child in our class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. If the highest score is 87, what was the lowest score? Children, in the question it's been told that the highest score secured by a student is 87. This is the highest score. This is the highest score secured by a child, and the lowest score is unknown. So let it be X. Let the lowest score be X. So according to the question, the relation between the lowest score and the highest score is, the highest score is twice, 7 more than twice of the lowest score. I repeat, the highest score is twice of the lowest score plus 7. So of course I can write in this way, 2x means twice of the lowest score plus 7 is equal to 87. Twice the lowest score plus 7 is equal to 87. Now from here, so I'll just write 2x over here. 7 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. It's going to be 87 minus 7. So I have got 2x is equal to 87 minus 7 is 80. So 2x is equal to 80, and this 2 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side, as the relation between 2 and x was multiplication or in the product. So the moment I'm transposing it towards the right hand side, it's going to be divided. So it will be 80 by 2. So here 80 by 2 will be cancelled. The value of x resulting 40. Children, I got the value of x. X is none other than the lowest score of a particular subject secured by a child. So I believe it's completely clear to everyone. So if we look at question number B is very interesting. There is an isosceles triangle. As we all know, the property of isosceles triangle is any pair of two sides will be equal in measure. So naturally, if I consider this side and this sides are equal in measure, the base angles will also be equal. So I'm given the measure of a vertex angle, that is 40 degree. So vertex angle is 40 degree, and the measure of this base angles are unknown. So let it be x and x. Why both are x? Because their base angles are equal in measure. So now, according to the question, if as I was asked to find the value of these base angles, so according to the question, 40 plus x is equal to 180 degree. We know it from the concept of angle sum property of a triangle. angle sum property of a triangle. So here 40 plus x is equal to 180. 40 plus x is 2x is equal to 180. Now 2x is equal to 180. This 40 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. It's going to be minus 40. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 40 is 140. Now x is equal to 140 by 2. So this 140 and 2 will be cancelled. I'll be getting 70. So the value of x is 70. So children, x is none other than the value of this base angles. This is 70 and this is 70 as well. Both the angles are 70 degree in measure. Now children, in the third question, number C was a very interesting question. It's told that Sachin has scored twice as many as Rahul. If Rahul has scored x, then Sachin has scored 2x. Now, it's in the question, it's told that according to the question, sum of the score of Rahul and Sachin, matlab x plus 2x, there's sum of this, their runs together is 2 shorter than double century. So 2 shorter than double century means 198. Double century means 200. So 2 less from that means 198. So x plus 2x is 3x equal to 198. X is equal to 198 by 3. It will be cancelled. 66. The value of x is coming 66. So 66 belongs to Rahul. So Rahul scored 66 and Sachin scored twice of Rahul, means 66 into 2 means 132. This is a score secured by Sachin. So children, this is how we have to deal with this kind of questions. I believe it's clear to everyone. If there are any doubts or confusions, please feel free to speak to me. Drop your queries in comment sections of Google Classroom as well as in the WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you so much children. Thank you. Bye-bye.